So we've made it to our next hotel, which is the Rosen Inn here on International Drive. There are a few properties in International Drive. We'll put in the description down below which specific one this is, because I can't remember for the life of me. But so as you come in your door, you have your kind of sink mirror area here with a couple of goodies on the side and a hairdryer, extra towels and toilet roll. And then you've got your bathroom here, which has your toilet and quite a wide bathtub. I know that you can't really tell on the camera itself, but yeah, quite a wide bathtub you have there. As you come back round, you have a wardrobe with a couple of hangers in there and a laundry bag. And you also have an iron and an ironing board and another kind of full length mirror just here. Forgive all the luggage in the room. This is the TV area here. So you've got your coffee machine, you've also got a microwave and a fridge. A couple of drawers available in there. You've also got a desk with a lamp on and some information guides. It does look like you have a balcony, it doesn't open, however you do have a nice view. So over here we have Volcano Bay, and just to this side here we have some more bits there. You can just see the star fly off in the distance. And it is 2 queen size beds. You've got those just there, and you also have a safe in the middle. As well as an alarm clock which has 2 plugs, American plugs, and 2 USB ports as well. Overall it is quite a nice room. It's all you need really for a couple of days, moving a little bit longer, but because you have this desk area here, TV stand and your nice 2 beds, you can make the most of this room. The only thing that I've realised, because we stayed here before as well, you don't have like a big light in the bedroom. You've just got the bedside ones, which some of you might prefer, but it's a bit weird. It makes it a little bit darker in the room itself. So yeah, that's our new hotel for the next 2 nights.